This is Saundarya Chandra, and today we're going on a short trip towards Gingrian. What's that?
That's near about Kopeshwar.
Yeah, it's near about Gopeshwar, and yeah, really excited to go there. So let me show you the road. It's the same road that you have seen in the previous videos.
To make their Kendriya Vidyalaya.
Yeah. So this is the way to Gingrian.
Maybe 2 or 3 years later, KVS will be situated here, and everybody.
We'll go here.
But it was nice to Saundarya that KVH is still in Patialdar, just 500 meters away from our home, and it's very convenient to go to school and back from the school to Saundarya. It would be very difficult to those boys who will start from here, because there's not any accommodations and not any shops and such kinds of things. And I think 6 months, it would be around 6 months that we are going on some such trip. I think KVS walk is in full swing. And if such walks goes like this, I think it will be complete within 2 to 3 years.
But I don't think I will be able to come in this school.
No, you will not come here.
Because you're saying that
Because you have only 2 years else for your schooling, and it will take around
2 to 4.
2 to 3 or 4 years
Yeah.
to complete the work.
So we have to go right there. So we are here, and we have to turn right here. See.
Today's vlog is completely made by Saundarya.
Yeah. Today I will host the whole video. But I will try my best to not bore the audience.
You can play some music which will not be copyright.
Okay, let's try. So we're at the cafe, and I've just recently asked it we will got her. What? I will show the whole cafe later. See, it's kind of like a little bit traditional cafe. Yes. Whoa. See. No, I've already asked it. Is the dog dangerous? See. Oh, there's a dog. So here is the aquarium. It's not that good, but okay. Huh? Okay, fishes. See. Hello. I'm calling them like a dog. Whoa. You know, it would be better if you come at night. So see, that's me. It's my outfit. See? Yeah, it would be better.
What you can find here are some drinks: tea, hot coffee, hot chocolate shake, cold coffee, chocolate shake, strawberry roll, and you can also find here biryani, veg biryani and chicken biryani. We are taking here. What is this one? This was momo. I don't know its actual name. It's Koda momo, and it's mandu. What was mandua? Okay, something like that. And this one is chicken momo. Okay. Would you like to say?
Nothing? Okay, well, let me show you the name of this hotel. Oh, sorry, cafe. You wanna come here? It's Look and Roll. I don't know exactly what is it, but I will make sure that we will come and visit here for sure.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So okay, this was all about the video. Meet you in the next video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.